Students, happy Heroes Day. Now I want us to focus on three things now that the youth should look at moving forward. In order for you to pursue a career of a hero, you should focus on three things, three major things. One, whatever you do, watch out for your health. Health. It is useless to perform so well, become the best in engineering, medicine, and then you kill yourself in alcohol. The second is ownership of our nation's development initiatives. Do not look at a nation like one that is governed by a few leaders. Be part of national transformation. Play your small but important role in transforming our country. As the youth, this is one way of getting yourself to the status of ingenzi. The third and most important of them all is discipline. So students are taught every day about dedication to work, dedication to perfection in whatever you do, commitment to duty, and in your context, it is the ability to pass your exams and to be the best at whatever you pursue. In our context, we had to do exactly that too. Perfect the art of war, outwit the enemy for a purpose, to defeat him and to defeat negative ideals of divisionism, sectarianism, and hate.